welcome back. So today we're going to currently look at this tropical system. This literally came out of the middle of nowhere. So I mean, like literally, this started popping out like yesterday, and I mean, yeah, that's crazy. And this is going to potentially impact all the way up towards the coastline. So, well, the East Coast. So if you live along the East Coast, I'll be prepared for this. But I will explain this in this video. So like I said, this is our tropical system. If you live towards like all the way up towards the northeast, like let's say Maine, and all the way down towards Florida, I'd be prepared for this potential tropical system. I have no idea what's gonna really happen out of this, but we would definitely have to watch this. It's gonna form either over here, they're gonna make impacts over here, up here, or down here. So we'll look at that in this forecast, but I'll show you guys the model runs in a little bit. And like I said, our severe weather over here, these are in the plains. It has shifted out towards the east, but it's still ongoing, so you'll have to watch for that. Potential hail and wind, potential tornado, but it's very low chance. But who knows? What if it happens? But like I said, this is our zoomed out view. This is the tropical system that could potentially be forming. And then this is our severe weather over towards the plains. So, but yeah, it could be impacting all towards the East Coast. So if you guys live along the East Coast, I'd definitely be prepared for this system. So now let's take a look at the model runs. Yep, there we go. We got the model runs. So now we're going to pull this forward in time. So this is the American model, the European model. So as we go forward in time, you can see our little system over here. You can see it goes all the way towards Carolinas, it weakens, and then something else forms, and then it becomes like a, alright, there we go, that's better. So, like I said, it becomes a potential full-on hurricane up to like 50 knots, which that's pretty close to equivalent about 50 miles, about 70 miles per hour. So, like I said, this could be a full-on hurricane, and it could potentially impact over here. Probably not as bad as I would think, but who knows, probably rip currents could probably happen. Potential flood damage could be possible too. So as time goes on, we'll definitely have to watch that. And really, that was pretty much a system. So now we're going to go right on to the GFS. So we're going to see what the GFS brings, which is the American model. So like I said, that was our system from yesterday. As we pull this forward out, in time, you can really see, you can see the system over here towards Virginia and North Carolina. As we go forward in time, you can see someone starts heating up down there. Like I said, here's our system over here. It could be bringing impacts to the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida. So if you're in those areas, I'd be concerned about that. As we go forward in time, this could be a tropical storm, a potential hurricane. It doesn't really look that concerning for a hurricane, but at least a strong tropical storm. We go forward in time, it kind of weakens, and then it just goes away. So, like I said, we gotta watch for this, and yeah, so if you guys are along the East Coast, I'd be prepared. Get your hurricane kit or whatever up and running, so I'd be prepared for the system. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll have more info in the future. And yeah, and also, happy Memorial Day.